Hello and welcome to Happy Village Life 4433. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to use data validation concept in Excel. Okay, so we have a list of few people here in column A, and with their gender in column B and age in column C. Okay. But the important thing to note is, if I click on any of these cell, it shows me this message. Okay. uh, like please type M for male and F for female. What if I type anything else, not M or F, G for example? It would not allow me to enter anything which is either not M or F. Okay, so similarly here you can see the message shows please type the age between 18 years and 30 years. Okay, so how to achieve this, especially it's always a very useful option if you want your data entry operator to make no input error. Then you restrict the options for him or her. So let's first of all remove the data validation. Okay, so let's learn. What I will do, I will select this entire range till the end of my data. Okay, I will go to the data tab, and in data tab you can find this uh, uh, this thing which is called data validation. So you select data validation. Okay, you go to the setting. In the setting, click on this box and click on list. Okay, and then it asks you about the source. The source you can either define by clicking on this, and then you can define anywhere in Excel sheet, and then you can select that, or else you can directly type here in this box like M and F. Okay, input error, you can mention the title here as gender. Input message you want to see is like please type M for male and F for female. And in the error message, you see here you have this is the error alert option. So you have stop, you have warning, and you have information. The difference between stop and the other two is that if you select stop, then it would restrict the data entry operator to the defined data validation. It will not allow the data entry operator to enter anything which is outside the defined range or defined validation. So but if you choose warning or information, then it would show the warning or the information if any wrong input is entered, but it would still allow the data entry operator to type anything which is not within the valid range. Okay, so this time, because we want to restrict him so that he can only enter the data which we want, so stop you would choose. Your title would be invalid input, and your error message would be please enter the valid gender. Okay, right, and okay. So if we see here, you can already see a drop down list here. So if I select M for Ahmad, it's fine. If I select F for Fatma, it's fine. You can either select from the drop down list, or you can directly type. For example, if I type M here, it's again fine. But if I type anything else, let's say D, then it would say please enter the valid age. Please enter the valid gender, and you can see invalid input, and it would not allow you to enter any other character. Like you will only be allowed to write either M or F, right? So you can retry, and then you can write the defined character. Okay, so similarly for age, select this column till the end of your data, go to data tab, go to data validation. Okay, in the setting you want your age as whole number in terms of years, so select the whole age. Here you have different options, but this time we want to choose between, and the minimum years we would enter here 18, and the maximum years we allow is 30 years. Okay, and we go to input message, and the title would be age, and the input message would be like this message would guide the data entry operator. Please enter age between 18 and 30 years. And your error message again, we will choose stop, because we don't want any age which is beyond the defined range. So the title would be again invalid input, and the error message would be please enter the valid age. Okay, so if I click anywhere on the selected within this range, this message would appear like please enter age between 18 and 30 years. If I enter 18 years, it's fine. If I enter 30 years, it's still fine. If I enter 15 years, that is not within the defined range, so it would not allow me to enter. So this message would appear invalid input, and retry, and then I can type any valid age. So I hope you find this tutorial useful. You can subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching. Bye for now.